Now formatting. How to format? So within the geometry, we can write WID white is equal to, generally we use 0.45, 4 or 5, and fill is equal to sky blue, or we can use any color. Yeah. So here plus label labs label, then decimal point. These are for the same for all variable. For example, here age is equal to nutritional nutritional status, and y is equal to percentage percentage. So we'll copy later. Yeah. Now we can use value geom text AES label is equal to s is printf. This is same for all dataset, all graph. Percentage dot one f, comma here this p, and sorry, comma p, then v justification is equal to minus 0.4 or 5, and size is equal to 4. Yes, this is our graph for bar chart for categorical variable. Now we can remove our background theme classic.